Alrighty then. Good evening and what? So, sold out. Random teams, Upper Deck. Series 1, 15-16. Francis came in, nailed it out of the ballpark. Last Spot Mojo, we will put that in for you on the thing, on the list. This is a random teams, 30 spots. 2 boxes will come out of this product right here, which is right above me. So 1 through 10, as you can see, we have the true random number generator. We're going to roll 2 times, maybe 3 times. It all depends upon how many. We got to get 2 boxes. You know how it goes. So let's roll. First box is number 7. Lucky number 7. So we know 7. And what's the next box? 2. So box 2. So box 2. We'll move you guys back. Take those ones out. Boom. Move those ones back like that. And just keep them stacked just like that. So 7 was the first box. 2 was the next. So now we're going to come over here to where's my list? Right there. Boom. So we're going to grab the teams. Now there's only 30 teams. Las Vegas Knights are not in this. So it's 15-16 product. So we're going to come over here. We're going to put the teams in here. We'll go over here and we'll roll 2 virtual dice. A 5 and a 4 is 9 times. Now we're going to random the list 9 times. Here we go. Off we go. 30 teams. Yep, there's our 30. 1, 2, 3, going 9 times. 5, 6, 7, just to make sure, 5 and 4, 9, yep, 8, and good luck on the teams. Here we go. Number 9. Columbus Blue Jackets are in pole position, number 1 spot, all the way down to the San Jose Sharks. Let's go over here to there. Pop them right there. And like I said before, we gotta give Francis a Last Spot Mojo here, so we're gonna give him a little carrot. We're gonna do a little carrot like that. So a lot of people do the stars. We're gonna do a carrot this time. And then we'll roll over here and we'll pull up a list. Put them in there. Come back over to True Random Generator and we'll roll up a new set of dice. For a new number. Oh my goodness, we got 12 times. The hard way. 12 the hard way, man. So a little mojo carrot there. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 1. 30 teams, or 30 players. Yes, we do. 2, going 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, going 12. As many times as we can go, right? 7, there's 8, 9, and 10. 2 more rolls. Number 11. Final one, number 12. Good luck, everybody. Boom. Cal is at the top and Dylan L is at the bottom. And let's flip it over here and let's go see how they came out. Boom. So, Cal, you got the Columbus Blue Jackets. Richard, you got the Capitals. Dave, you got the Blues. Francis, you got the Coyotes, Jets, Predators, and Rangers. Last Spot Mojo. Cal, you got the Flames. Cal, you got the Canadians. Francis, you got the Islanders. Chris got the Bruins. Dave got the Devils. Chris got the Red Wings. Dave got the Lightning. Cal got the Canucks. Richard, you got the Hurricanes and the Blackhawks. Francis got the Maple Leafs and the Wild. Cal got the Oilers. Congratulations, Cal. Good luck. LA Kings also. Francis got the Penguins, Sabres, Senators, Avalanche, and Panthers. Chris got the Stars. Cal got the Anaheim Ducks. Dylan got the Flyers. and Dylan got the Sharks. So that's the lineup. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this out of here real quick and go over to my other page and my template, and so I could have these running on the bottom. And then we're going to go like this. And we're just going to float over here to the website page. And we'll put those in right there, and they'll float across the bottom. Cal got the Oilers, yeah. Yeah, man. So, okay. So that's that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here, and I want to alphabetize these. Let's see, sort. Column D we want to go with. A to Z. And then we're going to print this out. I'd like to have a little printout. Let's see here. Headers. I want the sheet title, sheet name on it, and then that should be good. Sorry, workbook title on it. That's what I wanted. Go like that. And looks good. We'll print that out and landscape it. Boom, bam. Thank you, Jam. All right, there we go. We'll get that out. Anybody want to do any trades? If anybody's here to trade, you know what? I'll give you a few minutes. We'll just kind of look through the list here. So fold it in half. So it's alphabetized now. So Cal got the Oilers, man. So 2 boxes. Box 7 and 2 gonna come out. You know, I got a feeling. I got that little vibe going on right all of a sudden now too. So I'm just gonna move this off to the side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start opening up these boxes. We'll start with box 7. First, and then we'll start pack stacking and going like that, you know, and we'll go from there. So while I'm doing all this, you still have an opportunity to trade, but once I start showing the cards and facing them off, you will not be able to trade anymore. Trade window will be closed. Boom, empty box. Okay. Ooh, these tear really nice. Ooh, I like the way they tear. Ooh. Well, I haven't touched my 15-16 in a while. These cards feel really cool, man. I mean, they got a nice hard card feel to them, you know. Do a little pack stacking. We'll open up both sides. Now, I know some of you want me to rip through these and go quick, but you guys got to know I got a style, I got a way, I got a system, you know. People are like, yeah, Berg, you take too long sometimes, though. But what's going on? Not midnight. Not today. Yeah, so I try to show the cards, but I'm gonna try to pick it up a little bit. So I'm not gonna I'm not gonna just float through everything, but I wanna show you guys cards. So I think you deserve that. You bought into it, you know. So I know we're looking for the big hits. I know that. So Cal, I'm gonna try to work it, man. I'm gonna try to work it. We got some mojo coming. I got some feelings here. You know, my distributor lately has given us a lot of good product. So we've even going over to my local card shop. So we ended up hitting that. We had a Bozer over there, Besser, Rock the Man. Oh, and then what did we hit the other night in baseball, man? Acuna? Dude, auto? Oh my, I went and looked up the price on him. And then I thought to myself, you know what? I've opened up a box of that and got an Acuna auto. I was like, I better pull him out and go get him graded. I was like, shoot. Come on, get out of that. Get out. Oh, okay. So you just want to be crazy. Ussel, he said, I want to just jump around. There we go. There we go. There we go. Getting down to the last couple packs, guys. Got any trades? Any trades? Otherwise, I'm going to do a trade window close. Yeah. Well, I think that's what some of you got. Okay, there you go. Oh, okay, wait a minute now. Now this one got a little mojo on it, so we're going to give a little slice, because this one did not want to tear as easy. So, and guess what? This will be the back end of the last pack down here. So when I flip that over, that's going to be the last pack on that right side. So remember that. Remember that. Right side, last pack. All right. I should have that up. I should have that up. Here we go. We're just going to grab the top card and let me see where I'm at. Looks blurry, doesn't it? There we go. That's a little bit better. All right. That's the first one out. We'll put them off to the side here. Let's just grab a stack, and hopefully we don't grab a young gun, and we'll just kind of go through it. All right, here we go. Landeskog. Taylor Hall. Oh, Oilers. Oh, there you go. Our first one. Voracek. Philadelphia. That's going out to Dylan. Shining Stars. Voracek. This card feels thicker. It's pretty nice, man. So it's an SS35. Let me get a little bit closer there. Congratulations. So you guys know what to do. I penny sleeve everything, and then we'll just go from there. So, let's go down a little bit. Let's go down a little bit farther. Yeah, there we go. Shaw. Cabaret. Oh, a lot of stuff going to the left. Now, if I miss something, guys call it out on me. Say, "Yo, Bergie, it's too blurry again." Or if I miss a card that you know is a numbered card, or if I like go through and I hit a UD canvas and just skip it over, like this one here, Dallas Stars. Let me know. So that's going out to Chris H. Congratulations. Everything does get top loaded. So if we pull a McDavid, we'll probably pull it into a 35er. So I've got a couple of those. I went out to the store and bought a couple of those the other day. Backstrom. Bufflin. Weber. Weidman. Stone. All right, Cam. Whoa, there's our first one. Artinian Panarin. I'm making bread. Panarin bread. Congratulations, Chicago. Very nice, man. Nice. Going out to Ortega. There you go, man. We're going to throw him in. Not throw him. We're going to place him gingerly into a thing. So there you go. Ortega's first big, huge, smoking. Well, you're gonna have to deal with our. We're gonna have a little talk with Mr. Richard when he gets on. You'll have to go down to Breakers then, Francis, because that's where he usually hangs out at. PK Subban. Okay, here we go. Hansel, Fisher, Reed, Keith. Come on, baby. What are you gonna give us? Ooh, Yuri Hurdler. Yuri Hurdler, UD Portraits. Nice little card. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. There you go. Calgary Flames. The Calgary Flames. Cal. Congratulations. Put that off to the side. Let's pick this up again. Let's get back to it. San Francisco, or St. Louis. Zach Parisi. Bailey. Josh. Steen. Oop, we got Tyler Seguin. Nice, Dallas Stars. Again, another Dallas. Little Dallas pack here going on. Little Dallas side. Tyler Seguin. Shining Stars. Dallas. That's up to Chris. Congratulations. SS30. There you go. You say. Lightning. Man, he's like seriously up in the air. Look at that shot. Like way up there. Like, did he come off the boards? There's my other guy, Halleck. I'm thinking this is just way too... There. Halleck. I'm trying to watch, sorry. Rick Nash, I'm trying to not make it so that... I got my manual focus on, so... I'm trying to find that sweet spot, man. Henrique. Whoa! We got a Cope. We get the Kappa. The Andrew. Cope. Or Cop. Young Guns. Winnipeg Jets. Very nice. It's going out to Francis. Congratulations, Francis. There you go. Nice. Put him off over the side. Grab this here. Ekblad. You know, that wouldn't be a bad trade. You know what? Those two young guns for each other, that wouldn't be a bad trade at all. That's, you know, that all depends upon if our Mr. Ortega, you know, is collecting Chicago. Now, I know if it was Chewy, you would never get that out of Chewy. There we go. David Backus, young gun, or Canvas, sorry. UD Canvas. So Chewy's a Chicago guy. And it would be hard to get it out of me, too. So I'd be like, I don't know, man. Because I collect everything from Chicago and the New York Islanders. So, matter of fact, I just bought some stuff from Dan yesterday. So, made a little deal on the side. So if you got any New York Islanders stuff, you know, like cards or something like that, that you got on a box break that you don't really, you know, you're like, you know what, dude, I don't like the Islanders. They're not my favorite team, but I got them anyhow on this random teams or something like that, or they're the last team in a break. Send me pictures of them. Send me some stuff about them, pictures front and back. I'll look at them. I'll send you a price, or if you feel you want a price for them, we can negotiate, and that's the way it goes. So, I usually give a pretty damn fair deal on things. So, Stamkos. So, I don't try to gouge you, you know. I go to Beckett, we look up on Beckett what they're worth, you know. If they've been played with and used, you know. But if they're like this, right out of the box, into a sleeve, into a holder, you know, they're basically near mint. So they're 9s. I give you 8s. I didn't pass anybody up there. No, just talking smack now, did I? Did I miss anybody? I'm going to take these off. That's what's messing me up. I don't have my bifocals on today. Whoa, there we go. Ratnan. Miko. Young Gun, Colorado. Congratulations. Going out to Francis. There you go. Another one, Francis, for you. Yeah, you did clear it up, man. You bought the most spots. So, got the luck of the draw. But like I said, we do have a 2-box pick your team also in the store. Edmonton Oilers are already gone. So they went out pretty fast. I knew I should have put them for $49.99. No. Then they would have sat there for a week. Then again, maybe not. Oh, shoot. So, sorry. Got distracted. Seen a big squirrel. Well, I like that old uniform. See, that's the kind of stuff I like. You know, or the, not the old uniform, but the retro jerseys. So I like that. And where are we at? We had Wheeler and Chara. Oh yeah, it's gold. That's a little different. Let's go take a look at that. It's got like a different background to it. Flip it over. Let's see what he says. Number 19 says. You know what? It's got that different look though, right there. That's what's kind of. It's a good look. If you like the card, I'll send it. So, all right, here we go. Second stack. I might send some of those out anyhow. Oh, there we go. Checklist. Booyah. Nice. PK Subban. Checklist 100, 101 to 200. Subban and Nash. So, who's got the Rangers and who's got the Canadians? Canadians, Cal. Rangers, Francis. That's a randomizer. We'll throw that up at the end. Unless we get another one out of the next box or this box. If we get another one, then you both will get one. That's how I roll. So, it's only fair. Like that kid there. He's a good little skater. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Whoop. Yeah, just throw that around. Just toss it. UD Canvas. Mike Fisher. Nashville Predators. Nashville. That's going out to Francis. Miller. Strom. Zach. Burrows. Eller. Cobain. Del Zotto. Young Guns. Jordan Wheel. LA. Well. LA Kings. LA Kings. Who was that going out to? It's going out to Cal. Congratulations, Cal. Got yourself a nice little card there. 202, Young Gun. We got Nystrom. Big old picture of a hockey glove. Got Brown. Vannon. Playing the guitar, man. He's playing the guitar. Maroon. There you go. Steven Stamkos UD portrait. Very nice. Oh, and right behind him. Wow, dude. Like two of them. Boom, boom. They were stuck together. Wow. Nicholas Backstrom and Steven Stamkos. That's unusual. There you go. That's a little strange, huh? Tampa Bay Lightning. It's going out to Dave. And then the other one, Nicholas Backstrom. It's the Capitals, who are the Stanley Cup champions this year, 2018. There you go. Tampa Bay. Dave, congratulations. UD portrait. And then right behind me, literally they were stuck together. So Washington Capitals, R. Ortega. Very nice. Very nice. All right, continuing on. Boom. Diced. Nino Ryder. Nino Ryder. That's how they announce that at the stadium when he scores a goal. Nino. Uh-oh. That's your auto right there. Patrick Sharp. Nope, that's actually your... Wow. Blackhawks. Killing it. Very nice. That's going out to Richard, right? Chicago. Yep. Very nice. Let's see. So I think that should be about this one here. It's a Dallas card, actually. Yeah, you know what? It is Dallas. I'm sorry. It's a Dallas Stars. with yeah, so Dallas. That's Chris. Trade. I mean, no trade thing. But yeah, that's a Dallas card. Sorry. Okay, I'll have to get used to those. Meyer. That was a Dallas card. I went to Chris. Crawford. Rask. Took a Rask. Means. Johnson. There we go. Shiny Star. Matsudin. Toronto Maple Leafs. They used to be one of my favorite teams. Used to. I mean, I still like them, but I used to love the Maple Leafs back in the 70s and 80s. Toronto. Francis. It's all you. Zucker. Used to like the players they had on their team. They were always like an underdog trying to get someplace. And then they weren't an underdog and they were just kicking everybody's butt. So there we go. Joel Edmondson. Young gun. Come on, what you got? Got more in here. Defensive man. St. Louis Blues. St. Louis. Dave, congratulations. There you go. Thornton, Hossa, raising the stick. Kramer, Ovechkin. See, his hair isn't that gray there. It's actually starting to go gray. Oh, Hossa. Just looking right at him. Just staring at me. It's like, yo, Bergie, UD canvas right there in front of you, brother. There you go. Put that off there. Sagan. Gandhi Fleury. Forsberg. Shining Star. Patrice Bergeron. Boston. Oh yeah, that Hossa was going out to Ortega. Oh, Mr. R. Ortega. Sorry. Boston Bruins going up to Chris H. There you go. SS24. Very nice. We got this last little stack here, and then we got some stuff in that final one. Yeah, see? Two cards stuck together there a little bit. There you go. Bobby Hall. Chicago Blackhawks. Wow, UD Portraits. Wow. Mr. Ortega's tearing up. So do you guys remember when I told you Chicago Blackhawks, Boston, usually will have a lot of the big hits. That's why they cost a little bit more money. Well, now you're seeing why. So this is exactly why. Legends card Bobby Hull. So Chicago Blackhawks. So Boston Bruins, Chicago, you know, they're going to be a little bit more. Their card count is extremely high. Arizona is another one that has extremely high card count. So oh, come on. Oh, it's stuck. They're a little stuck, so let me just kind of, oh, dang, low, dang. It's okay, we got another little box to go. Carolina. I just seen Young Guns. I didn't see the name, so I seen Young Guns. I was like, oh, that's maybe. So it was still a good hit, man. I mean, Ortega. There you go, Carolina. All right, and here we go with the last few cards. Johnny Gaudreau, Taze, Erickson. That's it for that box. Let's rip the other one. So we only found one checklist in that whole box. Interesting. Nothing like 17-18 where you get two checklists, maybe three in a whole box. So let's see what happens. Good luck. Here we go into the second box. Empty box. Thanks for everybody who got in. And here we go. I think I'd have that autofocus figured out, right? No UD canvas, Young Gun canvas. No, that's really, it's very, you know what? I'll tell you why. Because they gave us that other UD portrait. So there was the clerical error in that box. Because they gave us 2 or 3 UD portraits. And I'll go through the cards again just to make sure. So I'll fly through them. But it gave us 3 of the UD. And I think it's only supposed to give us 2 usually. Tell you what though, if I see 16 or 17, 18 hobby boxes for sale on anybody's website and they're a reasonable price, I'm going to probably try to buy them up. So I want to try to get a half or a full case of it. The 17, 18. 16, 17 is pretty tough to find right now. And it's running $175 to $142 a box. If you can find 15, 16, which a couple of sites out there, e-stores are selling it, it's almost $200 a box. So, for these hobby boxes. So the stuff is way expensive. So, even the retail stuff is pretty damn expensive, you know. Retail's almost up to where hobby boxes started at in 15, 16. So, $65, $75 a box, you know. But it's always fun to go look through old stuff. I love breaking old stuff. And if there's a year that you guys are hunting for or looking for, you know, and I can find it for you, we can get it, I can get it, let me know. You know, I'll try to go grab a couple boxes. I'd rather try to grab a whole half a case or, you know, something like that instead of just a couple boxes willy-nilly. But listen, I did some willy-nilly boxes the other day with the Pro debut, and Those were just 2 boxes I bought out of the local hardware, the local card shop store, and I got to pick them out myself. And there you go. Booyah. I tell you, man, pretty good at usually picking boxes. And when I know to jump, I'll jump. So it's one good thing that I do have, like that little, I don't know, just sometimes a little luck of the Irish. But you're not Irish, Fergie. Shut up. I'd have to see if my family ever watches me on doing this. They'd probably be like, damn, there goes Trev again. Just being silly. Rambling about crazy things. Okay, we got Keith on that side. We got Joe on this side. Don't pull up any young guns there. But let's get this moving. And we're going to go like that. And here we go. I'm just going to kind of go through. Oh, Bordor. Martin Bordor. My guy. I love this guy as a goalie. I got a couple of his autographs. I do like the New Jersey Devils, but I don't. I can't have more than 3 favorites. So, and with the Islanders and the Chicago, you know, just yeah. Devils, Dave. There you go, man. Congratulations. Off to the races we go. Need a rider, helm, go. Down. Ovi laying around again, celebrating his championship. Adam Henrique, UD portrait. That's going out to the Devils. This is a Devils box. Devils side, so far 2. Dave, that was out to Dave. Hossa. I think that's like his picture every year, isn't it? I won something. I scored a goal. I came out of the box. Was that Pecorini? Yeah. Logan. There we go. We got a UD canvas. Justin Falk. Carolina. Oh, look, he's got a little firefighter's helmet. That's all right. That's nice. UD canvas. We'll get that out of the sleeve here. Carolina. Ortega. Congratulations. What we got here? We got James. Jake. Chris. Oh, Carolina. And let's see. Carolina. Yep. I mean, Florida Panthers. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I did it twice on both of these. What the hell's wrong with me? Florida Panthers. Who's that going out to? Florida. Cal. Wow. That's both jersey cards that I made 2 errors on. Come on, Bergie. Put your brain in it. Put your brain into it. There you go, Cal. Florida Panthers. And I'm reading the label, too. I'm like, man, just totally. All right, enough of that nonsense. Let's show us McDavid. That's what I want to see. Show us McDavid. Come on, little box. You can do it. What do you got coming? What do you got coming? Boom. 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 Young Guns. Another checklist. That's the 100 actually series. It's not the Young Gun series. That's the UD. That's the Chicago Blackhawks and Nashville. Chicago was going out to Ortega and the Predators. Nashville was going out to Francis. So that's another randomizer. Oh, there's our UD checklist. Wow. right behind it. Wow, Tays and Stamkos. Checklist UD. Wow, there you go. Tampa Bay, Dave, Chicago, Ortega. Wow. That'll be a randomizer. Congratulations to one of you guys. So these boxes are a little different. Shane, Aaron, Patrick. Going out the side, there's Ben Hutton, Young Gun. Vancouver, Cal. There you go. Congratulations. Get a little bit in there. Ben Hutton. Corey Crawford. Tuukka Rask. Hintz. Yandel. Vax. Stefan. Hobart. John. You know what? Some of these are getting a little stiff. So I'm going to go from the side. Just going to pull from the side like this. Cool Buffalo jerseys. Philip Forsberg. Very nice. Nashville Predators. Shining Stars. Nashville. Going out to Francis. We'll get him top loaded. Anderson. Oop, we got a UD back there. Hopkins. What's really funny is I seen that color. I seen that color right there when it moved, and I was like, oh. Could it be? Could it be? Edmonton. Going out to Cal. Ryan. Very nice. Congratulations. Let's grab this last stack here and see what we get in here. So, and I see something coming up here. Ehlers. Nikolai. Young Gun, Winnipeg. Right? No. Yeah. Yeah, man, the Jets. The Jets, Winnipeg, there you go, Francis. Congratulations. Get a little tap down again. Don't want to get too far in there, you know, bang the card around. Whoop, here you go. All right, so we got another checklist. Like I said before, this is a 100 to 200 again. So this was a Rangers and Montreal checklist. And, we might have a hot box with checklists. There's 3 of them. We got one regular and a UD checklist. And so, Rangers, like I said before, was going out to Francis. Last Spot Mojo. And Montreal was going out to Cal. So we have 2 of them now. Right there. No, the screen didn't double on you. There is 2 cards. So you each will get 1. So no randomizing on that one. Now, if we pull another one, though, we'll have to randomize that one. Or I'll make you guys arm wrestle online. No, thumb wrestle. Via YouTube or Breakers TV. There's that Chara card. That was a weird-looking card before. Oh, Johnny Gaudreau. Johnny on hockey. On fire. Shining Stars. Very nice. Calgary. It's going out to Cal. There we go. That's it for that side. Whoa. Hit my camera. Got crazy there. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Last side, last stack. We'll put it right in front of us. Steven Stamkos. Like it. Straight. Emerly. Ooh, we're getting deep. We're getting really deep. So to pack in. Where's our card? What? In the sand living. Oh, here we go. Blake Wheeler. There's a young gun right behind him. So that's why I'm kind of keeping it. Yeah. Yeah. Blake Wheeler. And a young gun was Poirier. I didn't know who it was, man. So I was like, oh, I better hide this. See if I can hide it. So Calgary. Congratulations goes to Cal. So Cal. And then UD Canvas, Blake Wheeler, Winnipeg Jets. And that's going out to Francis. Congratulations. Alright, here we go. That's Beck, Dubers, Boyle. Oh, Fiala, Kevin. Nice, Nashville Predators. Very nice. Congratulations. Goes out to Nashville Predators, and I should have memorized the name already because I called it out many times. Francis. There you go. Yala. UD Portrait. Rookie. There you go. So now, did they... So that'd be like a... It's not a UD canvas, though. That's... Oh, now let's see if I can not mess this one up, right? Okay. Predators. UD game jersey. Sorry, I'm just making fun of myself here. Predators. Francis. There you go, man. Nice little white jersey. Seth Jones. Congratulations. Very nice card. Very nice. All right, Shaw. Cabot. Quick. Ward. Shining Stars. Mark Messier. Marc Messier. Captain. Back in the day with the New York Rangers. Him and Gretzky. Him and Wayne. New York Rangers. Francis. Last spot mojo. Last carat mojo. Bufflin. Shea Weber. Mike Condon. Young gun. So I'm just trying to be surprised, like just boom, and he'll show up and we'll just like flip out. Mike Condon, Montreal. It's going out to Cal. Congratulations. Go like that, like that, like that. Jeff Carter, UD Canvas. LA Kings. We had a couple autographs of him a couple boxes ago. One of the many products that we sell here. Jeff Carter, LA Kings. Cal, congratulations. Looks like we got shiny stars coming up again, maybe. A little zoom. Oh, that's a cool looking uniform. Vancouver. Oh, I remember that. Throwbacks. Ah, there we go. Steven Stamkos again. Tampa Bay. Shining stars. Tampa Bay. It's going out to Dave. Congratulations. Boom, boom, boom. Yellow, Campbell, Wonders, Taylor Hall. Oh, I was just trying to get a little fast and see if we can make the mojo work. Pecorini, that's another UD canvas. So what is that, 4? Is that 4 UD? Or UD portraits, I mean? I gotta go look at the... Yeah. Nashville. The Predators. The Francis. Okay, let's see what we got. Sucker. Okay, let me get my little stack over here going. Okay, here we go. Boom. Boom. Sedin. Yeah, Nashville's strong in this stuff. That's what I said before. Yeah, that's why they're a little bit more... young gun. Well, it's still a good hit. Sergey. New Jersey Devils. Dave. There you go. Young gun. Congratulations. Jeff Carter, Dennis, Stone, Fowler. I think that's going to be it, folks, because we hit a bunch of little things at the right in the middle there. Yep, so that's it. So again, that was a 2-box break of Upper Deck Series 1 15-16 retail. Again, thanks for getting in. Thanks for watching. I'm Trevor B with Triple B Collectibles and Birdie's Box Breaks. Gotta say peace out and God bless America. Thanks for watching.